Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be taking some cuttings from this. This is a show begonia that I purchased last year. I think it was £13 or £15. It's a begonia. It's got a UK passport, called Whispers. It's absolutely divine. I've got some video of it when it was grown last year. Absolutely amazing. What we're going to be doing is taking some of these smaller shoots off. 1, 2, 3, probably 4 of those. Got nice leaves on them, so they're just below the surface, so I should be able to pull them out, wiggle them and get a little bit of the tuber with it, hopefully, only a tiny bit. And I'll be using for that a mixture of vermiculite, perlite, and peat-based compost. So I'll just get that sorted. So yeah, I've got some perlite here. I like to mix it 50-50, so 50% perlite, 50% peat-based compost. That allows moisture but also air, and my cuttings always seem to do really well in this. So what we'll do, just set this camera up first, folks. So yeah, we'll just get that put to one side. Let's get these pots filled up first, because I want one pot per. It's a bit long. I want one pot, yeah, one cutting per pot. I don't want to over fill them, like putting 2 or 3 in each one. Just one in each one should be fine. If you get a little bit of perlite going through the bottom, just stick a bit of compost in the bottom first. This is great stuff. I can't recommend it enough. Perlite, good water retention, also plenty of air as well in there. That's 3 done. Just get them to one side. Just water it a little bit just before your cuttings go in, just so it's moist. This gets rid of any air pockets as well. As you can see, it'll go down. So right, here we have my begonia. What you want to try and do is, this is just below the surface. Don't know if you can just get a bit of a close up there and get your forefinger and just in the backwards and forwards. Just try and wiggle it so you just get, and you'll hear it just a little crack. And as you can see there, that is a really good cutting. That. What you need to do then, once you've got your cutting like that, all these little furry bits, take them off if you don't want them to rot. And that just got one nice leaf. But what I shall do with that, I should cut that leaf, just say probably a third off it. That just stops any water, any moisture leaving it. All you need to do then is get your pen or nice hole in there, and then give it a good tap round. Just top it up with some more. Now we need to do that is give that really good water in, and that will go in my top heater propagator. So we'll get the others off here first. So we've got another 2 to come off here minimum. So same again, just turn it on its side. Don't be scared of it. You just got to use some force. Get your fingers down there. Just wiggle it backwards and forwards. And there we go again. That's come off nicely again. See that there? That's come off really nice. That. These little stipules at the side, take these off because you don't want them to rot. It's got 2 leaves. So what I should do with this is, if I can get the focus correct, what I shall do with that is just half this leaf and half that leaf. Put them to one side, and then in the pot we go. Some people like to dip it in Clonex, or you can give it a little bit of feed at this time, watered down, like a seaweed feed, that sort of thing. But I'm just going to do them like this. Hopefully we won't get any dieback. If I do start getting any dieback off any of them, I shall spray them with some antifungal. See, that one's not come off as good as the others. Not as happy with that one, but we'll put it in anyway. See if it'll grow. Because that broke off, and if you can just see that there, that broke off a lot higher than it should have done. It should have broken off a lot further down. But yeah, left with 3 shoots on this main plant now, which is great. But I could do with taking one more off that really. Take one more off. I'm just left with 2 main shoots there, so I'll get this one off. Yeah, that's come off nicely. You can see with this one. Show you this close up. As you can see there, that has actually broken a little bit of the tuber away. You see that there? There's a tuber there. And this one has actually got some roots that have broken off with that. So what we should do with this one, this will be the last one. Just get my final mix. Perlite and compost. Give it a water in. Hope everybody's keeping safe, by the way, with everything that's going on in the world today. I like to come in here, takes my mind off everything. Come in here, do this, have a relax, chill out for a bit. Right, and I've got the name tag here. This will go down the side of the main one, because I know which ones these are. And what I shall do with these is, the leaves on this one, I shall cut that one in half and this one in half, because this actually got a little bit of root with this. The stipules down the side, always take those off because you don't want those to rot. A bit further up as well. As you can see, this actually has some root system and a little bit of tuber with it, so we should plant that pretty deep, and then give it a good firm knock down, and then walk it in. And that's how to take your begonia cuttings from your begonias that are already growing. I might only have a problem with one of these really, that didn't break off where I wanted it to, so that might just be the problem with that one. But yeah, what we're going to do with these now is put them in my propagator. So just get the camera here, folks. Here we go. Put them in here. I have got a little bit of space that I made just down the side there. So just gently come back round again. Get these other 2. It's getting dark here now, but it's staying light pretty late, which is great. Yeah, just get those in there. Squeeze the fabric down. So yeah, those are, get some lights on, see there. So I've got 3 there. I should put the last one under here at the back, so this one will stay with its parent plant, which is this one. As you can see here, that has got now 2 nice stems on it now. That'll put more energy into those flowers in them 2 stems, and I'll get much better flowers and plants out of that. Just put the last one in here. That one can just go there. Yeah, that'll just fit there perfectly. And there we go. That's 4 cuttings. Hopefully they're all root. Some people like to spray them with antifungal. I'll see how I get on with these. If they do start damping off, I know in future to use an antifungal with these show begonias. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, pal. Yeah, if you've got any questions on how to take begonia cuttings, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe and give me a like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe and please look after yourself. Thank you. Bye.